good to be back again. But I feel I must warn you, we didn't part as friends.
Yo, what is going on today? We're shooting a video in Tasmania of all places with my mate here, Mr. Sam Woolley.
Yeah, mate.
What's going on?
What up?
Anyway, check out this view, guys. It's absolutely nuts here in the background. This house. Anyway, this is Sam's lawn. Some beautiful perennial ryegrass, SR 4660.
It's got both. It's got 4660 and 4650 oversown.
Yeah, right.
But it's the same stuff.
Look at that. So pretty much the same as my grass type. Beautiful. What height you at?
18 something, I think. I don't know.
Anyway, it looks good enough.
Around about 18.
But yeah, anyway, so Sam was one of my first clients, believe it or not, and he was on a 12-month lawn plan, so...
I was your first, bro.
Yeah, I think you were my first.
First?
My first. He's just special. But anyway, we're going to jump into this video, so let's just kick it off.
Yeah, mate. What up?
Welcome
Welcome to another lawn tip vid.
Doesn't even know the intro. So, just going to mow the lawn, as I said at the start of the vid, but... Sam did a reno on this back in spring, so you redid the whole thing, eh?
Yeah, I had, so I've renoed it. I've done 3 or 4 renos,
Yep.
but I just had a titanic struggle with paspalum.
Titanic.
And, so yeah, so I've done 3 renos. The first one was with a Bunnings mix, and it died out. The annual just died out, so.
Yep.
So I needed a pro like you, bro.
A pro, yeah.
Rightio, Connor. This is how it's done, big boy. Don't need no sure can not to spill anything.
Don't ever do this on the grass, folks. You could risk killing your lawn.
God. It's just, I'm
Dude's
gonna
weird.
for sure.
Oh, you're going to spill it, bro.
No, I won't. I've got skills.
Actually, you're doing pretty well.
Yeah, it's pretty full. There you go, Connor. No sure can for me, pal. Rightio, how's that? Oh,
That's what you want.
and that's shockers. Rightio.
So how come we got 2 mowers?
Right, so this section here has a lot of cement, concrete, rubbish.
Yep.
So I just it's not worth risking the cylinder, and I just keep it a bit high. So we'll go this one first.
Sweet. Let's get a sneaky Tasmanian mowing.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Smooth. Ooh,
Oh, hang on.
She's a bit off. Oh no, it's right.
Just a smidgy widgy. It's less than a smidge actually. So that's about all I'll do there. And about the same. So this is the height. So that's what makes it so great. It's such a small yard. I can change my height quickly. It's so easy to maintain. Oh, it's actually that's a bit tight. It's only a tiny little smidge.
Goes to show you how
Sensitive they can be.
Yeah.
That'll do.
My man.
That'll do. Right.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. When storms are rolling in to make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. We start remembering bad memories of the past. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Oh.
Done, boy.
Hard to see the stripes today.
Yeah.
See how we did.
Wintry times, man. It looks good.
See how we did.
Damn, boy. Oh. Tell you what, I do love ryegrass for just this mint, thick look, eh? This looks good for winter, man.
Hang on.
Not even like winter here. Although it's like, oh, I didn't even see it.
Cheeky.
But
Cool.
like today's pretty fresh. It's like 8, no, 9 degrees today? 10?
Maximum of like, I don't know, it was like 4 this morning. 3, like when we
Nice
started.
though. Yeah. It's nice as. It's looking good, man. So look at the difference, eh? So this is the difference between a real mild cut. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And look at this. So this is the cut with the rotary. So it still looks good. I tell you what though, it's easier for weeds to sneak in.
Yeah, this is
because you're not cutting lower.
This is obviously, you know, the area that I take the least care of.
That was a big boy. Yeah, so you do find if you're cutting lower, you do actually eradicate a lot of weeds a lot easier. But mate, it still looks good. Like this rye looks good at any height.
Right, let's go and see the fungus infested back. We'll see how we go. If it starts to dig the turf up, then it should have dried out. We've had a few days without rain.
Yeah.
Anyway.
How much, Are these right?
Yeah.
Do you damn it, have one?
Yeah. Oh, you gotta have it washed down with an apple to roast you.
Yeah, that's alright. I'm gonna try it.
We'll get one.
Let me try one.
This is gonna be
Burn my
bad.
bum. Oh. Not too bad. Alright, I regret doing that. Hiccups. Oh. Oh dear. Why did I do that? No, harder than I thought. Oh. Oh yes. Love it. Love a good bum burner. That's so much harder than I thought it was going to be.
Oh man.
Look at you.
I'm sweating. I thought I was a chilly lord.
One thing they will promise, they're building you a throne. If only you had seen, they won't leave the truth alone. And now you can see the world, but you're blinded by the light, leading you from reason and straight into the night. Now don't believe him, he's a liar and a sugarcoater.
Done like a dinner. I can see why you don't like going diagonal. Just keep hitting in the...
I'm immune to roses now. I know I'm not.
Oh, no.
So normally I'd always double cut it, but it's so wet.
Yeah.
The turf. I've only had the cylinder mower back on it for actually the first time this week since it just rained for 4 or 5 weeks.
So the amount of rain just blows my mind, man, because we get nothing. Oh, when you turn around.
Yeah, just when sometimes it digs in.
That sucks.
So.
See, I don't even know what that'd be like where I live. Like,
No,
it's so different.
same climate, but just the rainfall here is just.
Yeah.
We haven't had a drought now for 2007, I think it was.
Wow.
It's the last one.
Nothing wrong with that. Just a bit
if
wet.
It doesn't rain in summer, it's just hot.
Yeah, right. Because this climate's very, very similar to mine, but since he doesn't get heavy frosts, it still really holds that colour. Oh, there's a bush there.
Azalea out this time of year, that's a special.
That's what I'm saying, like, you've got roses out still, you've got
That's
lemon
nuts.
trees.
Yeah, it's nuts. My wife Vanessa does a very good job in here. And the bonsais and stuff.
Little succulents.
Oh yeah, anyone that wants them, come and grab them. They multiply.
No, I love it.
But no, this is awesome in summer.
I love what you've done. Like, it's not a huge yard, but like, it just
120 all up, and that's with the, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lines.
Yeah, it looks mint though, man. Tidy as, I love it. Love it. Tasmania though, like, so picturesque. I'll show you guys just the view out here. Like, it is. I'll get the drone up too in a second. Actually, show you the lawn and just how crazy that view is. It's like a lake down there.
That's like a river, mate.
A river. That's what I said. Look at that. Dang. Check this out.
Show it.
This is awesome.
This is my birthday present from my wife, and she actually hasn't seen me since.
See it in the garage.
Represent, bro.
Yeah.
Represent.
That's what you want. He's mad.
Put it on the driving range. Yep. Slice it. Oh, nasty.
What do you got?
Nasty slice, boy.
I suppose it's going off not where you hit the ball, is it? It's going.
It's a club head, so you don't even need a ball there, but it's a good little thing to have fun with. Bang! It's straight. Oh.
On the green, go in the hole.
Oh!
What a ledge.
Up and down from there.
Man, I love it. How good is that view? Like, it is ridiculous. See how much of a slope Sam's block's on. He does really well with this lawn because of how slopey it is. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm in Tasmania just for the weekend. Sam's birthday, so that's why we're here. He's wearing the merch.
Representing, bro. Represent.
Lawn Tips hat, stickers.
Got it all, mate. Got it all.
Alright, thanks guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And you have a good week.